Hi, my name is Brandon and this is another episode of Crankin Out Crafts. Today what we're going to be making is a ring, a bell ring. And it's really simple to do. All you need is a piece of felt, which we're going to cut into a pentagon. I believe that's the shape this is. Or any random shape. If you want it to look like a square, you can do a square one. And you're just gonna squirt hot glue all over it and lay your jingle bells into the glue. Just like that. And then with your chenille stem, I chose gold. You're just gonna just roll it up a little bit so that your felt can stick onto something. Put some hot glue, glue down your felt top. And then all you're gonna do is wrap it around your finger. And then you can trim your chenille stem and put on your ring.